Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 76, Banana. So here's another one of those lateral thinking puzzles, and the feedback I've received is that they're very enjoyable. People like doing them. So here is the next one. Let's see how we go. How can I like a banana but hate it at the same time? A clue will be given on the next slide. So let's see how you go. Think about it, and I'll leave this slide on for 2 minutes, and then we'll give you the first clue just in case you need it. So please don't go to the next slide yet. Try and solve it first because it's so satisfying. Okay, I wonder how you went so far. If you're having a little trouble, here is the clue on the next slide if you haven't solved it. So the question was, how can I like a banana but hate it at the same time? And the clue is, focus on the skin. That's a very, very good clue. Probably the best one I've given yet. So the answer is on the next slide. So give yourself another minute to try and solve it if you haven't already. And I'll give you the answer on the next slide in 1 minute. Okay, I wonder how you went so far with that clue. Righto, here is the answer. So the question was, how can I like a banana but hate it at the same time? The answer? I like the taste but hate the colour of the skin. I think that clue might have helped you solve that. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and I'll go there right away.